Today, I'm going to teach you how to use grid layouts and columns in Elementor. This is an incredibly useful feature when you want to create structured, organized page layouts that look professional and are easy to customize. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, you'll need to log in to your WordPress admin dashboard. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Pages section in your left sidebar. From there, click on Add Page to create a new page. After that, you'll see an option that says Edit with Elementor. Go ahead and click on that. This will open up the Elementor editor, which is where all the magic happens when it comes to designing your page layout. Once you're inside the Elementor editor, take a look at the left panel of your screen. This is where you'll find all the available widgets that Elementor offers. In this panel, locate the widgets section and scroll through until you find the option labeled Grid. Once you've found it, click on it. This action will add the grid widget to your page, giving you the foundation to start building your custom layout. Now that the grid is in place, you'll want to customize it to fit your specific needs. Click on the grid element you just added, and you'll notice that several tabs appear in the left panel. Navigate to the Layout tab. This is where you have control over the structure of your grid. Here, you can adjust the width and minimum height of your grid. These settings are important because they determine how much space your grid will occupy on the page and how it will respond to different screen sizes. But that's not all. The Layout tab also gives you the flexibility to add columns and rows based on your preferences. If you need a multi-column layout, simply increase the number of columns. If you want more vertical sections, add additional rows. This level of customization allows you to design a layout that perfectly matches your vision, whether you're creating a gallery, a service showcase, or any other type of structured content. And there you have it. You've successfully set up a grid layout with columns in Elementor, giving you full control over your page structure. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.